guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to be turning a fountain pen. It's going to be made from Fordite. Fordite is a material collected from the paint booths and factories. It's automotive paint that's layered from months to years, most of the time. Here's the pen. As you can see, the layers in it. And it is a very beautiful material once it's turned down. Join me as we turn the Fordite. I got it turned and I got it assembled. The Fordite turns very well. It's a very brittle material. So it takes a extra step of caution and a good amount of time, but the end result is just very beautiful. You never know what colors you're gonna have to pop up on the outside as well. As in this one, you really can't see it, but there's a silver right in here. The silver in paint. So, and there again, most of the silver's back all the way through the blank. Thank you for joining me tonight, and hope you have a good evening. Stay safe, and Happy New Year.